We are pleased to show you the 2020 Lincoln Nautilus. The Lincoln Nautilus crossover provides you with all the functionality you need in a vehicle. Plenty of space, lots of safety and technology options, and a high-end interior feel makes this the perfect vehicle. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, Bluetooth, trip computer, clock, compass, satellite radio, outside temperature gauge, tachometer, brake assist, perimeter alarm. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.